Hey, you guys, Miss Morel here with your last warm-up questions for the entire year. These are your last seventh grade warm-up questions. You know you're going to miss them. And this week you only have five because the warm-up questions that we had on Wednesday, Thursday were specifically about the dissection activity. So here you go, your explanation. Number one, the primary function of the respiratory system is to do what? Get oxygen, breathe, to exchange gases, or to keep you alive. Well, the respiratory system helps you do all of those things. It allows you to take in oxygen. That's breathing. Breathing keeps you alive, but that's forgetting about the carbon dioxide part of it. And the main function of the respiratory system is to exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide in the alveoli. If you'll remember, they're wrapped with little capillaries, and oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse back and forth across those membranes in and out of your bloodstream so that your your circulatory system can carry waste away from cells and oxygen to cells. So the answer is C, to exchange gases. Number two, which of the following is the primary function of the circulatory system? If you'll remember, circulatory system is comprised of your heart, your blood vessels, that would be arteries, veins, and capillaries, and your blood. Yes, your heart does pump blood. That's one thing your circulatory system does. It does help you maintain homeostasis. It does help you supply oxygen to your cells, but that's not its primary function. Its primary function is to transport materials around your body. If there's anything in your body that needs to get moved around, your bloodstream, your circulatory system does it. So the answer is D, transport materials. Number three, how do the circulatory system and the respiratory system depend on one another? Well, if you'll think about this, the respiratory system takes in oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The circulatory system transports materials around the body. So you need some sort of intersection of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and blood. So each of these is a two-part answer. So let's just start at the bottom and help see if we can't sort out what's correct. Carbon dioxide collected by the circulatory system. Does carbon dioxide, is it collected by the circulatory system? I suppose it could be if you think about it as blood and the circulatory system comes in contact with every cell in your body and collects the carbon dioxide waste to be removed. So maybe I can see an argument for that part. But is carried throughout the body by the respiratory system. Is that part true? Absolutely not. It's carried through the carbon dioxide, collects in your lungs to be exhaled, and the circulatory system is what transports it. So let's look at answer choice C. Nutrients collected by the respiratory system. No, we can eliminate that. We know that's not how that works. Solid wastes collected by the circulatory system. No, that's not how that works. Or oxygen collected by the respiratory system. Check. And transported throughout the body by the circulatory system. Check. Both of those work. So the answer is 3A. Number 4, what is the main function of the digestive system? It to provide energy for cell functions. Yeah, in a way, to help you grow and develop. Yep, those are one of the cell functions. To give you energy to move around. Yep, it does all of those things, but that's not its primary function. All of those things have to happen as a result of your digestive system that converts food into nutrients your cells can use, because all of these things are done by ATP energy, which is the result of cellular respiration. So your digestive system provides the nutrients that your cells need to carry out cellular respiration and produce ATP energy. So the answer is D. And finally, number 5, which of these is not a function of the nervous system? So the nervous system is a biggie. It kind of controls everything. It's the control center of your body. The main organs are the brain, the spinal cord, and your nerves. So your nervous system absolutely senses your surroundings. It absolutely quickly decides how to act on internal and external stimuli. It absolutely controls body processes. But what it does not do is continue the species through reproduction. Now, it controls reproduction. The hormones and the endocrine system are controlled by the nervous system, of course. But continuing the species through reproduction is the job of the reproductive system. So, all right, that was your homework for the week. If you have any questions, please see your teacher. Have a wonderful day. That's it. That's your last weekly homework of the year. Have a great day.